Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Hello, and welcome to this short video tutorial. To replace the laptop screen, go to the Project panel in After Effects. Open the folder 1 Edit Comps, and double-click the composition called Placeholder. This composition controls what will be displayed on the laptop screen. You can place your videos, images, or even create animations here, and everything will appear on the laptop display. Once you've added your content, return to the final composition to see the result. To access the template settings in the final comp, click on the composition clips in the timeline. In the Properties panel, you will find a drop-down menu with different animation options. There are 10 unique animations to choose from. If you'd like, you can also play the animation in reverse by selecting the Reverse Animation option. This doubles your possibilities, giving you 10 additional variations. Keep in mind that this option only affects the camera movement. The content on the laptop screen will not play backwards. Additionally, you can disable the camera notch on the laptop screen by unchecking the option Laptop Notch. When you're done editing, don't forget to render the final composition. That's everything you need to know about this template. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.